Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to prepare a very famous breakfast recipe, that is Halwa Puri. So the ingredients required to prepare this Halwa Puri, I am going to prepare both. So first let me tell you the ingredients that I will require to prepare the halwa. Here I have taken suji. This is 200 grams of suji, which is also known as semolina or rava. Food color. This is optional, friends. This gives a nice look to the halwa. Ghee, 100 grams of ghee. Sugar, 6 tablespoons of sugar, half a cup of sugar I'll be using. If you like your halwa to be more sweeter, then you can increase the amount of sugar, or if you don't want it to be too sweet, you can reduce the amount of sugar. Here I've taken a little bit of dry fruits. This is the dried coconut, raisins, cashew nuts, almonds. You can take dry fruits as per your wish. I've taken 4 cardamoms here, green cardamoms. Friends, you can also use cardamom powder. The only difference will be that when you use the whole cardamom, we fry this in the oil and then we add the suji into the oil or ghee. But when you use the cardamom powder, you have to add it right at the end when our halwa is ready. And to make the puris, here I have taken 2 bowls of maida, approximately 200 grams of maida, little bit of oil to knead the dough, and to fry the puris we will need a lot of oil, and salt as per our taste, slightly less than what we prefer. So let's get started. Here I have heated just a tablespoon of ghee, and then I will add the dry fruits. I'll first fry these dry fruits just little bit. For a minute I'll just fry. After a minute of frying it, the aroma of the dry fruits will start coming out. So once you get the aroma, it means the dry fruits are ready. We will take it out in a plate and keep it aside. Now friends, after removing the dry fruits, here we are going to remove the excess oil also, or the ghee that we are using. We will add the semolina or suji in the pan and we will dry roast it. We will dry roast it nicely, friends, so that when we cook the halwa, it will not be sticky, it will be perfect grainy and it will be very yummy. So let's roast it nicely. It will change its color. Now friends, as you can see, a semolina is perfectly roasted. So we will take this out in a bowl now. So here I have taken out the semolina. Now in that same kadhai, friends, I will add the ghee. You should always make the halwa in ghee or dalda. So after adding the ghee into the kadhai, I will add the cardamoms. And then now I will add the roasted semolina. mix it together. After mixing the semolina with the ghee, it has absorbed the ghee, friends. We will add the sugar. Just mix it a little bit. Now we will add water. You can use lukewarm water, you can use normal water. So for 1 cup of sugar, so I have used half cup of sugar, 1 cup of suji and 4 cups of water. We'll add the food color also. And now we will let the halwa come to boil. Meanwhile, we are going to, so let's knead the dough. We will put a pinch of salt, just a pinch of salt, little bit of half a teaspoon of oil. First we'll mix it. Friends, while kneading the dough, if the halwa comes to boil, we have to see that also and keep stirring the halwa also. So we'll add water little and we will knead the dough. So friends, you can see I have just started cooking the halwa for 3 to 4 minutes and I have added 4 cups of water. Now the semolina started getting cooked. It absorbs the water, so keep cooking till you get the right consistency. Friends, here is our puri dough also ready. We will shape them into small balls and we will roll it out to fry the puris. Meanwhile, let's see the halwa. So friends, once it gets ready, almost the halwa is ready, I forgot to mention you have to add 1 tablespoon of kera water. And we will cook for another 2 minutes. By that time our halwa will be completely ready. Friends, here is our halwa ready. We will add little dry fruits now and we will keep little for garnishing when we serve it. Mix it. Mix the dry fruits nicely. So the halwa is ready. This is the consistency that I want. If you want it to be a little bit more dry or a little bit more hard, you can just cook a little bit more and then put off the flame. So for me, my halwa is ready. I'll put off the flame and now let's move on to the puris. Friends, here I have rolled out all the puris and here I am heating oil to fry the puris. Our oil is almost heated. Our oil is heated. We will drop the puris and we will fry them now. Puri is fried. We will add another puri. You have to make sure, friends, the oil is perfectly heated. So I'm going to fry all the puris one by one like this. So friends, here is our halwa and the puri is ready. Nice and soft puris, tasty halwa. Perfect breakfast recipe. I hope you liked my recipe, friends. Please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to stay updated with my latest recipe videos. Thanks for watching, friends. See you soon. Bye.